The first thing you're going to want to do after you've treated the fuel is remove the battery for completing the rest of this service. Now's a great time to inspect your connectors for any kind of corrosion, wear, or other damage. Polaris recommends that you keep your battery in a cool, dry environment and keep it fully charged. Polaris also sells a battery minder just for doing that. If you can store your vehicle in a cool, dry environment and you have access to electricity, the Polaris battery minder comes with a connector to leave it in the vehicle. Remove the rubber strap, remove the cover, and remove the battery. After you remove your battery and bring it to the bench, take your Polaris battery minder, take the black cable, hook it to the negative, the red cable, hook it to the positive side of the battery. Wait for the lights to change to show you that the battery is charging. With the Polaris battery minder, you cannot overcharge your battery. It'll keep it at a constant, fully charged level, and you'll be good to go for the entire summer.